Songzhou Zhenhua Packing Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 1999, located in Dongguan County. As an equipment manufacturer and service provider integrating R&D, production, sales, and service of packing equipment, we specialize in providing all kinds of packing machinery and equipment, including flexo printer, folder gluer, stitcher, die cutter and corrugated paper production line. Whether you are in food, medicine, chemical electronics, or other industries, we customize the most suitable packing solutions for you. We always adhere to strict quality control standards, and all products are strictly inspected and tested to ensure stable, efficient, and reliable performance. We have obtained CE and patent certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, Mexico, Chile, Peru, Bolivia, Germany, Italy, Spain, Poland, Finland, Bosnia, Slovakia, Russia, Hungary, Czech, Kosovo, Serbia, Lithuania, Moldova, Slovakia, Egypt, UAE, Kuwait, Australia, South Africa, Ghana, Costa Rica, Ivory Coast, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Indonesia, Nepal, Philippines, Afghanistan, Malaysia, Georgia, South Korea, Kazakhstan, etc. More than 40 countries. According to our professional industry experience, combined with the market cases of Chinese and overseas customers, we provide one-stop services and establish a deep and long-term, win-win cooperation system with customers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you need a long-run reliable partner in machinery investment, we will be your best choice.
We provide the packing machine which can meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.